Imagine a thriving planet, full of life. Now imagine it slowly unraveling, not because of natural disasters, but because of human decisions. This is the story of how politics and power are destroying Earth. From unchecked industrial pollution to wars that scorch the land and poison the air, the actions of a few have left scars on our planet. Take the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Vladimir Putin's invasion unleashed destruction, not just on human lives, but on the environment. Explosions, bombings, and scorched earth tactics release toxic chemicals into the air, soil, and water. Ukraine's farmlands, once feeding millions, are now battlegrounds. But Russia isn't the only one to blame. The United States and its allies supply weapons and ammunition, fueling the fire. Military production itself is a massive polluter, and every tank, missile, and drone leaves a carbon footprint that contributes to global warming. The war doesn't just stay in Ukraine. It disrupts global food supplies, causing countries to clear more forests for farming. Refugee crises increase resource consumption. The ripple effects are global, yet leaders double down on military spending instead of investing in sustainable solutions. And then there's the ultimate threat, nuclear war. Politicians on both sides saber-rattle, boasting about their nuclear arsenals. One detonation could wipe out a city. A full-scale nuclear exchange? It would destroy the planet's ecosystems, plunging Earth into a nuclear winter. Crops would fail, and billions could starve. But it's not just war. Politicians allow corporations to pollute unchecked in the name of economic growth. Deforestation, oil spills, and coal plants are the result of policies that prioritize profits over the planet. In the past, Earth faced existential threats from asteroids and cosmic events. But now, the biggest danger comes from within, our own leaders. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if global leaders redirected military spending to fight climate change? What if policies focused on renewable energy, conservation, and peace-building? Earth's fate isn't sealed by an asteroid or some cosmic catastrophe. It's being decided in boardrooms and political chambers. The question is, will they choose destruction or survival? Our planet deserves better. Demand accountability. Demand change.